will resist such an amazing lightbox. Hi guys, it's Eva. How So check out this our new product that we have right now. This type of lightbox is made from acrylic in different colors and have a circumference of 10 centimeters. The many letters in the box have the waterproof LED strips attached to the inside, so both the surface and the back light up, as you can see, right? The bottom of the box is made from mirror stainless steel slatted high quality materials, are resistant to wear, lightweight, and not easy to deform. The acrylic panels flash soft light and create a unique atmosphere that can provide a memory point for your store. Commonly used in stores, bars, internet, celebrators, check-in points, and other sense needs. Alright, so as you can see, we offer the customized device, and the lightbox is available in different colors. The name content for anything of your business can be customized in the lightbox. Besides, we also offer 1-year warranty to improve your purchasing experience, guys. So how to find a professional advertising signage supplier? LCSIGN would be your best choice. Here, we provide the most suitable signage for your different needs. So what is your business with such a unique lightbox? Comment down to let me know, and don't forget to follow LCSIGN.